Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on HankoTrade. And right now we are here on the chart and we are showing here the Bitcoin chart. So what we're gonna do right now is we want to create a take profit order on this chart. So what we're gonna do right now is click on place new order and we go right here to buy. Right here we can fill in with how much we want to trade. So let's say we want a quantity of 2 lots. And then from here we click here on advanced options. Then from here you have the option take profit, and now we can set the price where we want to take profit. So let's say when the price is on 89k, we want to take profit because then we made 1600 bucks. So right now we click here on place by order, and now if you can see we just place the order right here, and then when he will hit the 89k he will take profit and will automatically close our position. So this is exactly how you can take profit on HankoTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.